Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So today we've got a very special announcement to make. I've just partnered with YouTube. I hit their criteria, which is over 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours. Now, it has been huge dedication in order to hit those targets. I only started this channel 5 months ago to today's date. So to get monetized that quickly just shows how much time and effort I've been putting into the channel, and also it shows how great that you guys as my viewers have been in supporting this channel. Without you supporting this channel, we wouldn't have been able to grow so quickly. So I do really appreciate everyone that's watched my videos, everyone that's shared my videos. Those of you that have been watching this channel for a while, you'll know that I'm not one of those channels that keeps asking you to like my videos, comment on my videos and share them and subscribe and all the rest of it. I never wanted to be one of those channels. I never wanted to turn into one of those channels. I feel like if you enjoy my videos, you'll naturally subscribe anyway. So I don't feel the need to constantly be pushing you to like my videos and share them and all the rest of it. And maybe if I would have been one of those channels, I could have grown even quicker, but that's not what I want to turn into. Now, I do prefer watching the smaller YouTube channels. I feel like when people get too big on YouTube, and when I say too big, I'm talking sort of 3,000 subscribers and upwards, you start to almost lose touch of the actual people that are watching the videos, and you start to almost forget that there's actual people watching your videos and enjoying the videos, and you start to look at them as numbers instead. Now, this isn't every single channel, obviously, but you'll be able to tell some of the channels I'm talking about, and I'm not going to call out any names, but there are a lot of channels out there that once they get to a certain subscriber base, a certain kind of fan base, they almost look at people as numbers and as kind of dollar signs or pound signs, if you like, and they're constantly going, like this video, subscribe, share this video, and they're almost forgetting about the actual fans behind the videos and people that are watching the videos, and it more goes in a focus of how quickly and how big can I grow my channel. And they start using clickbait titles, clickbait thumbnails, even clickbait content in general. They start going down the route of the scare tactics. You need to invest in gold and silver now, the world's coming to an end, fiat currency's over. Or they go the other way and they say everything's amazing, this is the perfect time to buy gold and silver. And there's a lot of channels that do that, and like I said, I'm not going to start calling out channels because that's not what I'm about. But I do myself, I prefer watching the smaller channels, because I think when you're first starting out, it's more authentic. You're not here for the money, you're not here for the fame, you're here just to share your precious metal journey. And that's I think the most authentic kind of videos when you're watching precious metals. People that are just on here because they're passionate about stacking, they're passionate about collecting, they really enjoy numismatic coins or doing coin hunts and things like that. So that's why I always prefer to watch the smaller channels. Don't get me wrong, I do watch a few bigger channels, and I won't mention them in this video because this video I wanted to kind of dedicate to the smaller channels. I didn't want to shout out any of the bigger channels. So in this video, my way of saying thank you very much for helping this channel grow and helping me get to where I am today and be able to make some money from these videos. Now, as YouTube start paying me for the videos, it will only be reinvested. I'll only be putting the money back into precious metals, which in turn will give more content. So this was never a kind of plan to quit my day job or anything like that. This was a way of documenting my stacking. It's a way of me being able to look back in the future and see how much I paid for certain things, see what time I bought certain things. And like I said, almost just document it, almost like a diary, and just sharing my journey as we go. So this was never kind of the plan for me to get monetized or anything. I've just become really passionate about stacking precious metals. Now, don't get me wrong, once I got fairly close to hitting that criteria of being partnered with YouTube, I did really put my foot on the gas. I've been uploading sometimes 3 or 4 videos a day. Now, I've been filming a video a day pretty much since I started this channel. And like I said, that was 5 months ago to today's date. So it's been a real full on experience. I've enjoyed it, but don't get me wrong, there has been days when I've got in from work and I've just thought, no, I won't film a video today, but then I can't fully switch off and relax because it's almost become a habit. I just wanted to film a video. I wanted to get a video out there for people that have enjoyed my videos, and now I've kind of hit that monetization. It'll be better to almost calm it down a little bit, to the point where maybe I'm doing 2, 3 videos a week. So instead of doing 7 videos a week, I can maybe more focus on quality over quantity. So, because like I said, I never wanted to be one of those channels that kind of goes down the route as you forget who the people are behind your videos. Now, I already saw some comments from people on a previous video saying, "Oh, you never reply to comments," and I'll be honest, it's very, very difficult to keep up with all the comments. Sometimes I allocate like 2 hours when I haven't got anything planned, and I get into bed early and I think, right, these next 2 hours I'll be going back and commenting on people that have commented. But even then, it's very, very hard to keep up. Now, I've done a couple of videos on this in the past and explaining and apologizing for not replying to every person's comments. And like I said, it is very, very difficult. And don't get me wrong, I read every single comment that comes through. I am reading them, and sometimes I read a comment and it's a really, really long, detailed comment and really kind of informative, and someone's really sharing something with me. And sometimes they're the comments that don't get replied to as quick as the smaller comments, because I kind of ignore it for now because I think I need to get back to that comment in detail and give it kind of the reply it deserves for the amount of time they put in. So I kind of reply to the smaller comments where people are just saying great video and stuff like that, because I think I'll come back to that longer comment, and then obviously more comments come on top of it and it gradually gets lost. So again, I apologize for those of you that are really putting in the effort in your comments and sharing, and then you still feel like you're not getting a reply. It's actually because I'm planning to allocate some actual time to reply to your comment in detail, and then kind of it gets pushed down the list. But I will get there. I do plan to catch up on all of the comments. I might actually get to a stage where I stop uploading videos for a week or two and I just purely focus on catching up on the comments, because I really do like the idea of responding to everyone's comments just to let you know that I have definitely read it. Even if it's just a thumbs up or a heart the comment, I just want you to kind of know that I am reading your comments. And like I said, I do really appreciate everyone that watches my videos. So, and I'm never going to turn into one of those channels that's like a sellout channel. Already this channel is only at just over 1,000 subscribers. I think it's 1,200 subscribers. And before I even hit that mark, when I only had like sort of 700 subscribers, I was already getting emails coming through offering me to promote a crypto, offering me to promote a gold or silver stock, offering me to promote a new app. And none of these things I've taken up, because I don't want to make this channel a sellout. I don't want to just take these adverts and just do them for the sake of it. I'll only ever take an advert on this channel if it actually truly fits with the channel and I actually think it will benefit people. For me, advertising a crypto coin or a gold or silver stock doesn't fit with my channel. This channel's about owning the hard asset, an actual asset that you can hold. It's the complete opposite to a gold or silver stock. Now, don't get me wrong, gold and silver stocks do have their benefits, and I have done videos on them in the past. If you're looking to invest short term and make some quick cash on the spot price, then yeah, don't get me wrong, a gold or silver stock could be useful, because you haven't got to physically buy something and then try and sell it. But personally, and like I said in videos before, I'm not a financial advisor, so do always do your own research. But personally, I'm not a fan of gold or silver stocks, and I've never have been. I haven't got any in my portfolio. I just would rather, if I'm investing in precious metals, I'd rather physically own it. And there's a number of reasons why, and there are too many to list to kind of put it in this video. But the main one being the paper, kind of on paper, how much silver and gold is sold via kind of stocks and shares is way, way over what is physically actually in the world. So, and that's a huge one. And like I said, that's on a kind of a video for another day. It's a whole topic there in itself. But for me, if I'm investing in precious metals, I want to physically hold the asset. I don't want it just written down on a bit of paper on an app that I could log in one day and it's been hacked. I want to be able to physically hold my precious metals. So we're going a bit off topic, but yeah, basically I wanted to say I'm not going to be one of those channels. You won't see adverts popping up on this channel or sponsorship things popping up on this channel unless it completely fits this channel, because I'm not here, like I said, to make money. I'm here to document my journey. I'm here to have a bit of fun, and I don't want to be kind of one of those channels that's just out to get as much money as I can, because That's not what this channel's about. I have properties I rent out. I have a full-time job which pays quite well. I have other investments, and like I said, this channel was never started as a kind of another stream of income. It was started for a bit of fun and a hobby. So yeah, so rest assured, you'll never see this channel advertising things that I don't believe in just for the money. So let's get back on topic. So the whole point of this video is I wanted to shout out some of the smaller YouTube channels. Now I'm going to start off in this video by shouting out just 10 channels, because I'm not sure how many channel names I can tag in the description. So I don't want to list, I've got like 26 in total that I wanted to mention, but I thought I don't want to list them all today because I don't know how many you can actually tag in the description of the video. And I want to be able to tag all the ones that I mentioned today in the video so that you can go and check them out and follow them if you like the look of their channels. So these are in no particular order, and I'm not gonna go into too much detail of the channel because some channels I watch more than others, and I don't think it's very fair for me to kind of expand on the reasons why I watch these channels, because like I said, some of them I'll know more about, and that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is I want to promote some of the smaller YouTubers, some of the YouTubers that have been putting out content for a long time now, and for whatever reason they haven't been picked up on the algorithm, or maybe they have but they're just a newer channel, so it's taken them a little bit longer to grow. So like I said, this is in no particular order. I'm just going to go through these channels that I personally watch, and you'll be able to see, because I'm going to put them on the side of the screen over here. You'll see that I'm personally subscribed to these channels. Don't get me wrong, I don't necessarily watch all of their videos because I haven't got the time to watch every single video that is released by every single person, but I do watch their content, and I do think their channel's worth mentioning. So I'm going to leave all of their channels in the description. If you do think they're good, please do subscribe to them. Please do leave a comment on their videos letting them know that you found their channel via this channel. And some of them you've probably heard of. Some of them you've probably started watching a long time before you saw this channel. Like I said, this channel's only 5 months old. So although it's grown quite well, because I have been dedicating a lot of time to it, and like I said, you have been helping me with its growth. A lot of these channels I mentioned, some of these have probably been out for a lot longer than this channel anyway, so you probably have heard of them. So let's get straight into it. Like I said, I'm not going to expand on the channels or why I like them or anything like that. They're just smaller stacking channels that I personally watch, and I prefer watching these types of channels, like I said at the beginning of this video, over some of the bigger channels because they're more raw, they're more authentic, and I think sometimes they're more honest as well. So like I said, I'm not going to expand. I'm just going to list the channels, and I'll put their channel names in the description. So let's get straight into the video. So the first one's the Stack Collector. Like I said, his links to all these channels will be in the description. The next one is Mo Stacks. The third one is the Gold Standard. Now you can see none of these ones I've picked have over 1,000 subscribers, and that's the whole point of this video. I want to push some of the smaller channels that haven't got that many subscribers at the moment. So the next one is Silver and Cigars. The next one is Constitutional Stacker. The next one is Silver Back Stacker. The next one is Stack in the South. The next one is Stack That Gold. The next one is the Island Stacker. The next one is Mellow Stacks. And that is all the 10. Like I said, I'm not going to expand on the reasons why I like each individual one, because I don't think that's fair, because I do watch some of the videos more than others, so I know about some of the channels more than others, but I do watch their channels and I do enjoy their content. So please do check their channels out. Please do subscribe if you like this kind of sort of thing. They're all very authentic channels. So yeah, to summarize the video, thank you very, very much for all the support. Thank you for helping getting this channel monetized so quickly and helping it grow so quickly. And yeah, please do support some of the smaller YouTubers that haven't yet hit 1,000 subscribers, and let's help them also grow their fan base. So as always, thanks very much for watching all my videos. I've got some cool unboxings on the way. Once we hit monetization, I treated myself. I brought myself another, I think it was 8 or 9 ounces of silver, and I brought another 1/4 ounce of gold. So they're going to be arriving in the next couple of days, and we'll get them unboxed and showcase them on this channel. So yeah, like I said, thanks very much for all the support. Thank you for watching my videos, and I hope you have a nice day.